Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the drive letter for a drive on your Windows computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Type in Disk Management. Best result should go back with create and format hard disk partitions. Go ahead and left click on that. Select whichever drive you want to rename the name of. So we can expand this a little bit here. And you can see we have different drive letters listed here. So let's say we want to rename the E drive. Go ahead and right click on it and select where it says change drive letter and path. Select the change button. At this point, as long as the drive letter is not being in use, you can go ahead and select that option from this list here, and then select OK, and then select OK again. We shouldn't be too dismissive of the prompts here, that if you did have programs that are relying on this drive letter, they might not run correctly because they're going to be referencing back a drive that is a different drive letter. Just want to put that out there, so if you have programs installed on a different drive letter, just might want to be a little bit careful about that. But if you just have files saved on there as like a backup, that shouldn't really be an issue. But again, if you have that cross dependency with other folders, other programs, you might kind of have an issue with that. But just for storage backup, that shouldn't really be a problem. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and select yes. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.